Welcome back to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Today we will be doing English writing, dictation and reading. Children, before we start with our lesson, let us recite a school prayer. Children, stand in your places, join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and taught learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Children, you may open your eyes and sit down, and let's get back to your lesson. Hello parents, hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Did you enjoy your Christmas vacation? Okay. And what about the New Year? Did you all enjoy your New Year party at home? Good. Today is our first day of the year. So I would like to wish everyone a very happy New Year. I hope this New Year 2021 brings you joy, happiness, good health and good luck to everyone. Parents, thank you so much for being with us all the time. Children, open your English homework book. Today, teacher will teach you to write capital letters A to Z. Okay? So, this is your English homework book. Open your English homework book. Here write date. Draw one line over here. Today's date. Today's date is 4. How are you going to write the date? 4 dash 1 dash 21. You have written, children? 4 dash 1 dash 21. Okay. Now on the first line write capital letter A dash Z. Okay, you have written, children? On second line put one small dot. Okay, first line A dash Z. Second line put one small dot. You have to begin the capital letters from red line. Okay, start along with the teacher. Teacher के साथ साथ लिखो. Capital letter A. Okay, capital letter B. Capital letter C. Capital letter D. Capital letter E. Capital letter F. Capital letter G. Capital letter H. You have written, children? Okay. Read once again. See whether you have written properly or no. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. What comes next? I. Capital letter I. J. Capital letter J. K. Capital letter K. L. Capital letter L. You have written, children? Okay. What comes next? Capital letter M. Where are you going to write capital letter M? M किधर लिखने का है? इधर. जहाँ पर A लिखा है उसी लाइन में लिखने का है. Okay? Write over here. Capital letter M. You have written, children? Okay. Now write the next letter. What comes next? Capital letter N. O. Capital letter O. capital letter P, capital letter Q. Okay. You have already done till Q. In previous lesson, teacher had taught you to write A to Q, how to write independently. Now today, teacher will teach you to write the next letters. What comes after Q? Q के बाद क्या आता है? R. Capital letter R. Capital letter S. What comes next? T. Capital letter T. Okay, read once again. See whether you have written properly or no. बोल के लिखने का है आपको. Okay? A, B, C, T, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L. After L what comes? M. टीचर ने क्या कहा आपको? कहाँ लिखने का है M? सेम लाइन जहाँ पर A लिखा है वही लाइन पे M लिखने का इधर ऊपर. ओके? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. What comes next? U. Capital letter U. How teacher said to write capital letter U? रेड लाइन से ब्लू लाइन नीचे लेके आने का. टेक द पेंसिल ऑन टॉप, ब्रिंग द पेंसिल डाउन एंड यहाँ पर छोटा सा कर्व करने का है. कैपिटल लेटर U. व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट? V. कैपिटल लेटर V. व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट? W. कैपिटल लेटर W. X. कैपिटल लेटर X. Y. We are going to write Y on the same line. जहाँ पर आपने लिखा यही लाइन पे लिखने का है Y और Z. यहाँ पर नहीं लिखने का है. आप यहाँ पर लिखोगे तो टीचर आपको रॉन्ग देगी. सेम लाइन, यही लाइन पे लिखने का है Y. How you going to write capital letter Y? Look over here. Slant line, red line to blue line, then make one big slant line. Now Z. Capital letter Z. Okay? You have written, children? You should know to write capital letters A to Z independently. Okay? Now read once again. टीचर के साथ बोलो. टीचर ने अभी सिखाया ना आपको A to Z कैसे लिखने का है. See whether you have written properly or no. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. You have written, children? Okay, very good, children. Now take the next page. The next page. Teacher will show you to write dictation. Okay, today we will do dictation. So first line write dictation. D, I, C, T. Dictation. Capital letter D, small letter I, C and T. Okay. What teacher said how to write capital small letter T? ऐसे T लिखने का और यहाँ पर डैश डालने का. ओके, यहाँ पर डैश करने का. ऑन सेकेंड लाइन, फर्स्ट लाइन पे आपने लिखा ये DICT. ओके. ना सेकेंड लाइन, आउटसाइड द मार्जिन पुट वन स्मॉल डॉट. इस साइड एक डॉट डालो बिकॉज यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर्स. ओके, स्टार्ट विथ अलॉन्ग विद द टीचर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Finish writing? आपने लिखा है ऐसे 12 numbers? Okay. Now teacher will show you how to write the dictation. Okay, on first, where you have written the number first, जहाँ पर आपने first लिखा है. Okay, now teacher will tell you. Capital letter M. What teacher said? On one number to write capital letter M. How are you going to write capital letter M? Capital letter always begins from the red line. Capital letter M. On one number, capital letter M. You have written, children? Okay. On number 2. On number 2. write on. 2-letter words. How to write on? टीचर ने आपको बताया था ना, 2-letter words. on की स्पेलिंग क्या है? Come on children, think. Yes. What is the spelling of on? O-N, on. Come on, write on 2 number. Where is 2? Okay, write here. On. O-N. On. You have written children? on लिखा आपने 2 नंबर पे. फर्स्ट नंबर पे टीचर ने क्या बोला आपको? कैपिटल लेटर M. 2 नंबर पे on. Now third, 3 number. On 3 number write 2. 2-letter words. 2. जब भी आप इंग्लिश में लिखोगे, इंग्लिश बुक में लिखोगे इधर रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन में, तो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ 2? TO2. वो मैथ्स के स्पेलिंग में नहीं लिखने का है, मैथ्स का वो अलग हो जाता है. TWO2. इंग्लिश में जब भी आप लिखोगे तो 2 की स्पेलिंग क्या है? 2-letter वर्ड्स, खाली 2 ही लेटर्स आते हैं उसके अंदर. TO2. T लिखने का और O लिखने का. 2. दिस इज कॉल्ड 2-letter वर्ड. T रहता है इसके अंदर और O रहता है. TO2. ओके. On number 3, 2. How are you going to write 2? TO2. Children, say and write. TO2. Okay. On 4 number. On 4 number. What are you going to write on the 4 number? At. At. How are you going to write at? Come on, think. टीचर ऑलरेडी टॉट यू ना, टीचर ने आपको बताया था ना एट की स्पेलिंग क्या है. यस. AT. एट. AT. एट. AT. एट. 2-letter words. AT. एट. ओके. On 5 number. On 5 number write capital letter Q. How are you going to write capital letter Q? Yes. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. You have written children? Okay. On 6 number. 2-letter words. Okay. Up. Up. What is the spelling of up? UP. Up. Read the spelling in your mind. आपकी स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? टीचर ने सिखाया था ना. Up. 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 Okay. On 7 number. On 7 number write in. 7 number पे क्या लिखने का? In. स्पेलिंग क्या है in की? Come on, think children. in की स्पेलिंग क्या है? टीचर ने आपको बताया था ना. So, go, lo, no. Yes. in की स्पेलिंग क्या है? I and in. कौन सी and right? I and in. You have written children? Okay. Now on 8 number. 8 number पे क्या लिखने का? Pay attention. Do. Do. 8 number you have to write do. How are you going to write do? What is the spelling of do? D-O. Do. D-O. Do. टीचर ने सिखाया था ना 2-letter word. TO2. DO. Do. UP. Up. US. Us. Yes. So you have to say and write. Okay. You have written children? Okay. On 9 number. On 9 number write capital letter T. How are you going to write capital letter T? आता है ना आपको capital letter T? Yes. Capital letter T. T for tiger. Yes. Capital letter T. Okay. Now on number 10. Or. On number 10, which spelling you are going to write? Or. How are you going to write or? O-R. Or. Okay, आपको स्पेलिंग आना चाहिए. 2-letter वर्ड सब आने चाहिए. ओके. टीचर जो कुछ भी बोलेगी ना, जो भी बोलेगी आपको सब स्पेलिंग आना चाहिए. ऑन, और, आप, अस, टू, डू, एट. अभी टीचर ने क्या बोला है? और. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ और? O-R. Or. You have written children? Okay. Next. 11 number. He. How you are going to write he? 2-letter words. He. H-E. He. H-E.
he. Now last, on 12 number, write my. On 12 number, write my. How you going to write my? M, Y, my. Okay? M, Y, my. M, Y, my. Children, you have written? Okay. डिक्टेशन के लिए आपको 2 लेटर वर्ड्स सब लर्न करने हैं. ओके, टीचर कैन आस्क यू एनी 2 लेटर वर्ड्स. टीचर जो भी बोलेगी आपको सब आना चाहिए. कैपिटल लेटर एम, 2 लेटर वर्ड्स ऑन, टू, एट, अप, अस, डू, ऑन, और, माय, बाय. ओके, फॉर दैट you should know to learn and write 2 letter words. Okay children, we are done for today. Children, this is your reading book. We have already done reading before. Phono World. This book is for reading. Okay? Once again, teacher will show you how to do the reading. So open your book. Yes. Open this page. Teacher will show you how to do the reading. Page number 9. Open this page. Page number 9. Okay. So, go, लो, नो. आपको स्पेलिंग भी आनी चाहिए. So read along with the spelling. So, S-O, so. Go, G-O, go. Lo, L-O, lo. No, N-O, no. He, H-E, he. Be, B-E, be. Me, M-E, me. We, W-E, we. At, A-T, at. N, A-N-N. M, A-M-M. As, A-S, as. It, I-T, it. In, I-N, in. If, I-F, if. Is, I-S, is. On, O-N, on. Or, O-R, or. Off, O-F, off. Ox, O-X, ox. Up, U-P, up. Us, U-S, us. To, T-O, to. Do, D-O, do. Buy, B-Y, by. My, M-Y, my. Children, we have already done with 2 letter words. You should know to read and write 2 letter words. Okay? Once again, teacher will show you how to read. Okay? So, go, lo, no. He, be, me, we. At, N, M, as. It, in, if, is. On, or, off. Ox, up. Us, to. Do. By, my. Okay? Once again. So, go, lo, no. He, be, me, we. At, N, M, as. Repeat after me children. It, in, if, is. Okay? आपको स्पेलिंग भी आनी चाहिए. Teacher will ask you any spelling, you should know to read and write. Okay? On, or, off, ox, up, us, to, do, by, my. Okay? Children, today you have learned to write capital letters A to Z. टीचर ने आज आपको कैपिटल लेटर्स A to Z सिखाया इंडिपेंडेंटली टू राइट. टीचर हैज़ टॉट यू टू राइट डिक्टेशन ऑल्सो. आज आपने डिक्टेशन भी सीखा. वंस अगेन वी हैव डन विथ रीडिंग. आज आपको टीचर ने रीडिंग भी सिखाया. सो चिल्ड्रेन कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एट होम वॉट एवर वी हैव डन. आपको ये सब 2 लेटर वर्ड सब आने चाहिए. ओके, रीड करने के लिए और लिखने के लिए भी. सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग 2 लेटर वर्ड्स एट होम. वी आर डन फॉर टुडे.
Thank you so much, parents, for your support. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care.